How to pay with gift card on Asos. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can pay with gift card on Asos. In order to pay with gift card on Asos, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and log in into your account. So basically, you can use or redeem your gift card as a way of payment method. So for that, you need to go ahead and select the item that you actually wish to purchase. So for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna go ahead and select a random product. Let's say that I'm gonna go with the following one. And when you do that, you need to go ahead and select the product details, that is the size, quality, and all that. So let me just go with this following product. Once I've selected the following product, I can just go ahead and select the color, size, and all that and add it to my bag. So once the product has already been added to the bag, then you can either continue shopping or you can simply skip this part and then proceed to the checkout procedure. So once you've added the product to your bag, then you need to go ahead and enter in the billing address, then move on with the payment section. So there you need to scroll down a bit and then you'll be able to find a section as gift card, which you have to enter in the 16-digit number that will be located on the back of the card, and just click on apply and you'll be able to see the discount that you've got by applying the gift card. So that is how you can use your gift card on Asos. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.